Okay. I don't know if it's still recording, but I guess I have to learn how to edit. But anyway, I have to clean up the backyard. I haven't been here in 3 months. 3 months. And they're complaining about mosquitoes. There was a flood in Vegas and lots of rain. So I guess the rainwater settled back here in some of the tubs that I have back here with toys. So this is a life. When you single, you gotta do everything yourself. Ken, I used to call some Spanish guys to clean back here, but they cost me like $300 every time I call them to clean up back here. It don't look that bad. All I have to do is organize the toys. You're gonna see me do it and throw away stuff. And it's $300, so I'm gonna do it myself. Um, the only problem is the lifting, pushing, because I just did the surgery a year. I think it's 2 years now I did the surgery, but believe, trust me, whenever I lift things too heavy, I feel pain or I bend too much. So I will be doing this though. The devil's a lie if they think I'm gonna pay them $300. No, time our groceries triple times now. I'm not about to do that with them. See, like this box. This box is for the water slide. They use the water slide. Don't put up the water slide or even the box. So no, we lose the box. I know we have the water slide. I don't know. Water slide is $500. This is our second one now. We bought. I'm not. Good luck with her. So this is trash. Just throwing away stuff that will harbor water. This is from the barbecuing. It's dry rot, and I have to bring this all the way to the trash can. I'm gonna make it. Marsha, what is that? Oh, that's a bag that had charcoal and the water. Why that look like a snake? What is that? It look like a snake. It does. Where would that come from? Oh my God. That looks like a snake. Let me go ask. Mommy, mommy, did the kids have a rubber snake playing with? Huh? There's a snake back here. I don't know if it's rubber or real. There's a snake. There's a snake back here, but I don't know if it's real or rubber. by the grill on the floor. Yeah, it moved. And all these, it's so. See, when me said something to get mad, all these. It moves. Oh my God. But I don't know if this snake real or not, you know. Lord help me. Boy, I don't think this is a good idea. Boy, I'm gonna know. I'm gonna know. I'm trying to clean the backyard, trying to save myself. this $300. But I think this is a snake. Can somebody tell me if this is a snake? Uh-oh. I think it is. How do I do this?